Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Susan McCourt. Math 125, Modern College Mathematics, Logic, Section 5, Problem 3. This is Logic, Section 5, Problem 3. Determine the validity using truth tables. P implies Q, Q implies R, therefore P implies R. So we have our truth table set up with our P implies Q and Q implies R, both inside the brackets. And then it's if then to the P implies R, our conclusion. So we're going to start by bringing down all the truth values. For P, true, 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 false, 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 false. For Q, true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. For Q again, true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. For R, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. Then P, true, 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 false, 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 false. And for R, true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. With such a big one, we want to label those columns, make sure we do them in the right order. We're going to start with each of these if-thens first. So I'm going to label them 1 and 2. And then we'll do inside the brackets with the and of those two for 3. We're going to do P implies R for 4. And then finally, we're going to do the and statement of 3 with the P implies R statement of 4 for our 5th and final step. Let's go. So P implies Q. We know that it's true unless true implies false. So true, true is true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. And all of these will be true because they start with a false. Same thing here. True implies true, true, true implies false, false, false implies true, 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 true implies true, true, true implies false is our other false, and then true and true. Then we're going to do the and of columns 1 and 2 and put that in column 3. True and true is true. True and false is false. False and true is false. False and true is false. True and true is true. True and false is false. True and true is true. And true is true. Okay, then we're going to skip over here to the P implies R. True implies true is true. True implies false is false. True implies true is true. True implies false is false. And then we have trues coming down because we start with a false. And our final step is to take the 3 column. I'm going to circle it for you so you can see it. This one. With our P implies R. Put those together. And we're looking for any true implies false, which will give us a false, and we'll make it invalid. So we have true implies true is true. False implies false is true. False implies true is true. False implies false is true. True implies true is true. False implies true is true. True implies true is true. And true implies true is true. So our final column, number 5, is all true. So this is valid. And we know that P implies Q and Q implies R. Therefore, P implies R is the law of the syllogism, which is a true statement.